Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to add someone on Telegram with QR code. And now let's dive right in. Now to add someone on Telegram with QR code, first open up your Telegram app and make sure that you have the QR code of that person whom you want to add on Telegram with your QR code, guys. And after making sure that you have the QR code required to add that person on the Telegram, you'll be required to download it, guys, you'll be required to save it, guys, to your phone. And let's save it. And to do that, let's save it to gallery. And after receiving the QR code of the person to whom you want to add on Telegram with your QR code, now we won't be able to directly scan the QR code from the Telegram itself, but we can scan it from two ways. Either the QR and barcode scanner app available over here, guys, or you can just scan that QR code from the Google Lens on your camera. And let's first try this from the camera. And over here, guys, after opening your camera, you can see the Google Lens option or the Google Lens icon at the left side of the screen over here. Open up your Google Lens. And after opening your Google Lens, guys, you can see you can directly scan from the camera as well as upload the picture to Google Lens. So I'll be trying to upload the Google Lens, and here are the images I had just saved. And after the Google Lens scans it, guys, you can see there is the QR code or the tip or the Telegram link available for us. Now in order to open it, now from over here, guys, after the Google Lens scans, in order to add that person on Telegram, either you can copy the URL and paste it on the Telegram of a chat and open it yourself, or you can go to the website by tapping on the website, and the Telegram website will open, where you can see, guys, it will be redirected to the Telegram app, and the Telegram app will open the contact or the QR code of that person, and you will be able to add that person from over here. Because I had already added that person, or I will the Google Lens is not redirecting me to their page directly. So another way is from the QR code scanner or the barcode scanner. You can get it on the Play Store, guys. If you have not installed it on your phone, open up your Play Store and search for QR and barcode scanner and search for it. And you can see, guys, the QR and barcode scanner app is available on the Google Play Store. Install it and open it. After opening it, guys, again, either you can scan it from over here directly from the camera, place the QR code on the square box and it will be scanned, and a Telegram link will be available for you, or you can just upload it over here. Since I had saved it earlier, I'll be uploading it. Now to do that, at the top of the screen, you can see, guys, there is the gallery of or the picture option available just beside the flash. Let's tap on it and let's upload it from the photos. And over here there is the QR code which I had downloaded or saved to my gallery earlier. So let's open that QR code. And after opening that QR code, guys, you can see the QR code scanner will give you a link of that Telegram account. Simply tap on the open button over here, and then you'll be redirected to the Telegram app to your browser. And let's wait for it. And you can see, guys, the Telegram app has opened, where we had scanned the QR code, and the QR code is of this person over here. And there, guys, and after opening the QR code of that person, you will be directed to their account like this, guys, and you will be able to add them to your Telegram with their QR code like this. And there, guys, this is how to add someone on Telegram with QR code. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.